Alrighty, so this last video that I'm going to do for you guys is on lesson 7 of chapter 7, and we're talking about mixture problems. Let's see if I can figure out how to make this thing work. Okay, mixture problems. So essentially what we're doing is they're like word problems, but we're going to use simultaneous equations to solve them. So I'm going to do number 4 for you guys, and then hopefully you guys can understand it well enough to do the homework on your own. Okay, so number 4 says a telephone. We are on page 330 if you'd like to follow along. So it says a telephone coin box contains 52 coins, of which some are nickels and the rest are dimes. The total value of the coins is $4.50. Find out how many coins of each type it contains by doing each of the following. So it gives you step-by-step instructions on how to do this. And so I highly recommend just going through each step of what they're asking, and they'll work you through how to get to your final answer. So our first question that they give us is, they said, letting x represents the number of nickels and y represent the number of dimes, write an equation relating x, y, and 52. So it says that a telephone coin box contains 52 coins. And it's nickels and dimes, and it says x is our nickels, which we know is 5 cents, and our y is our dimes, which we know are 10 cents, right? And we have 52 total coins, and we add up to $4.50. All right, so our first one is write an equation relating our number of coins. So our number of coins is, we know we have nickels plus our dimes is going to give us our 52 total coins. So this is our answer to A. B says express the total value of the nickels in cents in terms of x. So we know that nickels are worth 5 cents. So we can say 5 cents times our x, and that's going to be our total value, because the number, our x is our number of nickels, and then our value of 5 cents. So that's going to give us how many cents we have depending on our number of nickels we have. So then our C is express the total value of the nickels in cents in terms of, value of dimes in cents in terms of y. We know dimes are worth 10 cents, so we have 10y. D says write an equation expressing the fact that the total value of the coins is 450 cents. So we can use B and C to find our value. So we have a total of 450 cents. And if we add the value of the number of nickels plus the value of the dimes, we're going to get our total cents. Okay. Solve the simultaneous equations that you have written for x and y. So we have 450 is equal to 5x plus 10y, plus we have this equation up here, which represented the number of coins. So we can say x plus y is equal to 52. So now we have to solve this. And we've learned our different ways to solve equations. And by just eyeballing it, it's going to be simpler to do it by substitution. So I'm going to say y is equal to 52 minus x. And then I'm going to plug this equation in here. And we get 450 is equal to 5x plus 10 times 52 minus x. Okay, so we get 450 is equal to 5x. If we distribute that, we get 520 minus 10x. We are going to combine our like terms. So we're going to get minus 520 on both sides is going to give us minus 70 on this side. Oops. Ooh. Yes, that's right. Okay. Is equal to 5x minus 10x is going to give us negative 5x. If we divide by 5, we're going to get 10, 14. All right, so our x is 14. So now we are going to plug it back into this equation up here. And so we're going to get 14. Wow, that's bad 14. My apologies. We're going to get 14 plus our y is equal to 52. Subtract 14 from both sides. And our y is going to be, my brain is working on half speed today, is 38. Okay, so we get our x equals 14 and our y equals 38. So then in F, it asks us how many nickels and how many dimes does the coin box contain. So up here, we decided that our x is our nickels and our y is our dimes. And so if our x is our nickels and our y is our dimes, we have nickels, we have 14 of them. And we have dimes, and we have 38 of them. And there's your answer to the last one. All right. I hope that is helpful. Make sure you follow through each question that they ask, and you're going to end up setting up 2 separate equations. All right, I will see some of you tomorrow, and the rest of you, I will post the homework so you can see it on there. We will likely go through review also. So be on the lookout for, let's see, lesson 4, 5, and 7, and along with the review is going to be what we're doing. So, yeah, check for Jupiter. And for those of you who are gone, have fun and be safe. And I will see you guys next week.